let's come to the point from a college perspective. Like, let's imagine like we are in third year or we are in second year or in fact first year. Okay. Now, if you just, take a student and explain that, dude, this is what assurance associate do. How would you explain it to him or her? And maybe you can just use an example without quoting anybody's name or client's name. How would you
Mhm.
explain in the simplest term that this is what assurance associate do? How will you explain?
Okay. So like the field is quite wide. I cannot explain all that. So like yeah,
Right.
basic information I would like to give that the basic like you have to as a staff one you would be placed as a fresher one, for example. Suppose for like you'd be placed as a staff one, so you're like you have to basically assist your seniors and managers on the clients you're booked, because your team only like books
Right.
you on clients. And then you have to assist your seniors in their day-to-day tasks. Basically the work, like you have to utilize your problem solving skills and analytical skills. You'd be seeing using me these skills because these two are my favorite, like in the entire podcast. So yeah, like you have to use your problem solving skills to to solve the task you're given. At least first try to solve it on your own before asking, like before reaching out to your seniors and
Right.
managers for the doubts. So yeah, like you basically have to work, like most of your work would be on Excel and involve some PDFs, presentations to Word documents. So yeah.
Okay. So basically, जब मैं AA और AAA पढ़ाती हूँ, so I tell them the composition of the audit team, right? तो अभी जो audit team होती है, that starts from engagement partner and goes down till interns and
Hmm.
staff. So I am talking to staff level right now. So आप मतलब basically करते क्या? As I know theoretically that staffs are usually involved in making the work papers because हमारा काम work papers पे ज्यादा होता है and senior manager का review पे आ जाता है when it comes to
True.
risky areas, right? So working
True. True.
papers के बारे में like what all working papers you have worked upon, how you work upon, do you get evidences from the clients, and what
Hmm.
exactly you do, if you could just explain that.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Like we are assigned some areas.
Okay.
हमें कुछ areas assign होते हैं, like
हाँ,
for example cash area, debt area,
ठीक है.
uh, payroll area,
मेनली द
accounts
इजी
receivable.
एरिया आपको कभी आई
Yeah,
गेस गोइंग कंसर्न और ये सब नहीं आया होगा बिकॉज वो कॉम्प्लेक्स एरिया वो सीनियर्स के पास
true,
जाते हैं, आपके पास ही
true.
पीपी पेरोल कैश आता है, राइट?
Yeah, true. So like the onshore team, basically the US team, delegate
हम्म.
these areas to us. हमें area
राइट.
delegate करते हैं, तो we have to work on these areas, cash area basically. So like we have different work papers for these area, like cash area है तो हमारे पास, तो हमें like we have like EY software होता है जिसमें we have to
राइट.
work. And then उसके basis पे हम जो हमारा area है उसके basis पे बहुत सारे work papers बनते हैं,
राइट.
Excel में, Word documents में, PDFs में. So basically we have to work on that. The work is like the work is obviously हमें seniors बताएंगे क्या task होते हैं, day to day tasks.
राइट.
But yeah, when you keep going to higher position, like for example if you are at staff, from staff 1 to staff 2 आप जाओगे, staff 3 जाओगे, then your like ownership और accountability increase होती रहेगी साथ साथ.